It's Saturday, March 8th, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NeoWeather.com video forecast, taking a look at what's going on as of about 10:15 in the morning. Temperatures along the lakeshore are starting to fall. A cold front just moved in off of Lake Erie, and it's going to keep slowly pushing south into this afternoon. Areas like Mansfield, Canton, Carroll, maybe even Dover, New Philly, will be in the 40s for the next few hours, but they'll start falling off by later in the afternoon. There's some precipitation over Indiana moving in. That'll be light rain and snow, maybe a little bit of freezing rain here in northern Ohio later today with minimal accumulations. All right, looking at the entire country now, there's not much going on. It's very cold for this time of year in the upper Midwest. International Falls got down to 18 below zero this morning. There's that little wave of light rain and snow moving towards northern Ohio right now. There's a little more light snow in the southern plains. There's more rain and mountain snow moving into the west, and that'll eventually affect our weather later in the week, although for now it's going to stay out there for a couple of days. Okay, so before I do something productive like show the forecast, I'm obligated to show the almanac. Yesterday, 53.28, above average, not a bad day, a lot of sunshine. It's been a dry start to the month of March, and a little bit drier than normal on the year. Record high for today, 79. Can you imagine that 14 years ago on this date it was 79, especially with what we just went through earlier in the week? And we're setting the sun at 6:26 tonight. Tomorrow it'll jump towards 7:30 as we move the clocks ahead. Okay, so let's show you what we're going to be dealing with this afternoon. Moving forward, our future radar and temperatures. This blue line is the freezing line, and as we head into this afternoon, that starts moving inland as precipitation moves in, so we're going to get some wintry precipitation. Most of this will fall as snow, but right near the freezing line, there could be a brief period of freezing rain, but I don't think any icing issues will be significant. Here we are by 4 in the afternoon again, just light stuff. As we head towards 7 in the evening, just light stuff as the colder air keeps sinking southward, and as we head through tonight, that light snow gradually pulls out. It should be all snow by evening. It gradually pulls out. Here we are by midnight. This model shows completely dry weather. There could be a few flurries off of Lake Erie. It'll just be cold enough, but they shouldn't amount to much. And as we head into tomorrow morning, it's chilly, cold, but the snow should be gone. So today, temperatures falling this afternoon below freezing. Cleveland has already hit their high. Places like Akron, Canton, Mansfield, Youngstown, Dover, New Philly, they'll still rise into the early afternoon before they fall. Light wintry mix, accumulations of snow will be an inch or less. Any light snow ends tonight, temperatures falling into the lower 20s. We move the clocks ahead 1 hour tonight, so if you have an iPhone and you're planning on using your alarm to wake up early tomorrow on your phone, good luck. Alright, so looking ahead at the big picture forecast charts, this weekend's little wave of cold pulls out quickly. As we head into Monday, we get a nice warm push of air, and that lingers into Tuesday before more cold comes down. Now, as we get into Wednesday, we'll have to watch because you can see the model shows a piece of energy over the Gulf Coast with a nice kink in the jet stream and some good cold air moving down. If those two things interact properly, there could be some plowable snow. But right now I'm thinking that the cold actually acts to sort of push that moisture-laden energy off to the east. So this could be some snow for the East Coast. It could even snow here, but I don't think it'll be significant. We'll need to watch it just in case, but for now I'm thinking no big storm for the middle of the work week. Some of our models were showing it yesterday and the day before, although for now I'm going to say it probably won't happen. Then as we head Wednesday night into Thursday, it'll be cold regardless, and there could be some lake effect. So again, I'm not saying it won't snow the middle of the week, but right now I don't think it'll be a significant storm. And then as we head towards Friday, we'll get another little warm push of air, so you can tell it's definitely becoming a little more spring-like. Still an active pattern. There's another system coming our way by next weekend, but definitely not as cold. And as we look at the whole continent, you can kind of see why it's active. You see bowling balls like this over the Pacific. Those are just like bombs of moisture moving into the west coast, and that eventually works its way east. And there's this large pool of cold air just to our north, and that's kind of being forced southward by this large high pressure extending all the way up towards the Arctic Circle. So we're still in a cool and kind of active weather pattern, not as bad as we were, but I don't think we're going to see any prolonged warm stretches for at least 2 more weeks, and we might have more snow chances too. All right, so on your 7 day now, tomorrow a little cooler, will be dry, partly cloudy skies, so some sun, upper 30s for highs. Monday we get a nice warm push of air. If we see enough sunshine on Monday, some areas could top out at or above 60. For now, I want a little cooler. Wasn't quite sure. I think there will be some clouds. Tuesday won't be a bad start. Could get into the 50s one more time before a cold front moves through by Tuesday evening. Any rain showers Tuesday night will change to snow showers by Wednesday. Right now, I don't think it'll be too significant, but we'll watch it just in case. And there could be a little lake effect Wednesday night into Thursday. It'll just be cold enough. Either way, by Friday, the sun will be back and it'll be warming back up a little bit. But as I said, don't get too comfortable. I don't think we'll see any prolonged stretches of, 70-degree weather or even 60-degree weather for the next couple of weeks, and there might be more chances for snow. All right, again, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for watching. Check us out again tomorrow.